Hey, how you guys doing out there today? Thank y'all for getting to this video. In this video, you guys, I have broke the code, man. I found the way how to rank videos easily on YouTube, man, and Google. So it won't even matter, man. So you can get the most engagement out of your video. So this is the video I actually just uploaded like 3 minutes ago. It just say get tons of free leads posted in Facebook groups. Man, but so let me just go to Google right here. I'm just gonna type in Facebook groups. Let's see if that comes up. Facebook. Nah, we're gonna say we want leads, so we want to say how to get free leads from Facebook groups. We're gonna start off with this search. Bam, front page. Out of almost 2 million results, I'm on the front page. So let's dumb this down a little. Free leads from Facebook groups. Another one out of another 2 million, something like that. Alright, let's just take a lead from Facebook. Alright, we're not on that one. Let's just go to videos. Okay, we're not on that, so let's just say another keyword. Tons. Oh, okay, I got that spot over 100,000. Let's just say free. Okay, free leads from Facebook groups. Let's just say Facebook group leads. Okay. Oh, I'm right here. So you guys, out of 2 million results. So you guys, man, obviously you see I found the way to get your video ranked, man, just by using keywords. That video right there just been ranking. I just did it like 3 hours ago. Simple video. You see, it's not that long. And only thing you have to do, if you want to know how I'm able to do that on a lot of videos, it's just not one video. I got this on a couple of videos. Let's just say posting ads. So general, posting ads. You see my video right here? And I'm just not on Google. I'm on Yahoo too. So let's just say posting ads. Alright, let's just go down to video. See guys, I got 2 videos. I'm just letting you know, man. Click the link below. It's just free videos. They'll show you step by step exactly how I'm doing this process. And man, hopefully y'all can do it and bring value to y'all videos as well. So hopefully y'all found value in this video, man. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright? Peace.